Let's put it off to today. So for people not familiar completely with cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, in one sentence, if I have to explain to somebody what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is, what do you say to them in a one or two sentences?
Well, I mean, the funny answer is that it's magic internet money.
There you go, magic internet money.
But no, it represents something far greater than that, and that is that it's a monetary system that is based on math and cryptography, and it's open source and it's transparent, so it's governed on a peer-to-peer basis. So it's a system that can't be corrupted, it can't be cheated. It's a system kind of for the people.
Do you think, big picture, there is a potential that Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, blockchain will take down the Federal Reserve, US dollars, pounds, euros? Can you see that in a world in 20 years? Or does it compete?
I think that there's uses for both. And what Bitcoin isn't a currency. It's not a transactional currency. It's far too expensive to do transactions. What it is it's a store of value, meaning you're better off thinking of it as gold 2.0 or digital gold. And when you think about it from that perspective, you have to ask yourself about the history of money. And so for the last 5,000 years, the primary form of money was precious metals, gold, silver, and copper.
Yes.
And those three, after 95,000 years of experimenting with everything, were selected because they had specific attributes. It was sufficiently scarce so that you didn't need a truckload of it to buy a loaf of bread. You can transport it. It had to be malleable. You got to be able to take it apart, put it back together again. It had to be fungible, like diamonds. It has to all be the same. It can't like diamonds. Non-spoilable. You wouldn't want to put it in a safe, go get it in a year, and it's rotten.
Right.
So these precious metals have very specific attributes. Bitcoin possesses all of those attributes, except for it's a lot better at all of them. And the other big difference is gold is physical. Bitcoin is intangible, and the intangibility is a positive trait because you can send it from anywhere in the world instantaneously, and it's just, gold actually, it's easier to club you and take it off you.
Yeah, PayPal, Western Union may be a thing of the past. So
it's more gold.